placed on the table of the House.
Chief Minister Preston Tinsong clarified in the Assembly today that the road from Happy Valley to Mawshibuit village falls under the Public Works Department, PWD, except for a 600-meter stretch within the GTC land. In response to VPP MLA heaving stone Kharpran's query about the Army's claim over the stretch, Tinsong confirmed that after reviewing documents with the district administration, it was established that the land had been designated as defence property since 1972. Concerns over disruption caused by Army personnel during repairs were addressed in a meeting convened by the Deputy Commissioner on February 13. Following discussion, the matter was resolved and GTC officials allowed the repair work to proceed.
On the 13th of February 2025, relating to the ongoing repairing works outside the 600 meters, because the Army seems the defense, they claim that this road belongs to them, meaning outside that 600 meters. But ultimately, sir, after the meeting, this issue has been resolved, and even the GTC officials, they allowed the repairing work to